I'm going to show you how to target your glutes in less than 10 minutes. In this micro workout, all you'll need is your body and a mat. Come join me. Hi, I'm Lauren Irk. I want to welcome you to Fitness Integrated Science TV. Today's micro workout, we're focusing on the gluteal muscles and the lower back, and the exercise we're going to be targeting is variations of the glute bridge. So let's get started. Go ahead and bring your feet about hip width apart, lower yourself down onto your back. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and press them into the floor. Keep your chin lifted, a little bit of space behind your neck. On your inhalation breath, I want you to just press those hips off the ground, noticing what your end range looks like, and then exhale, bring that down. Each time that you come up into this position, I want you to start noticing today what you have available in your body. How good does your lower back feel today? How much can you generate tension into the glutes? What about your shoulder muscles? How does it feel to be here on your back with your shoulders? Are they pushing equally? Keep that chin lifted. Keep a little space behind your neck if at all possible. And as you're going through these ranges of motion here, you may notice over time that as you get more warmed up, you actually can go a little higher, although that's not necessarily the goal. So let's go for 3 more and 2. Now we're going to be banging a lot into a very short period of time. So remember, this is going to pass by quickly, so will the fatigue from this workout, but you're welcome to take as many breaks as you need to. So let's just hold it up now, noticing where we are, hips are level, trying to keep those hips level now. Let's just take one knee into the chest and then release it, and then do the same thing on the other side. Good, pressing it in and bring it out. Squeeze in and bring it out. Now, as you're lifting one leg off the floor, the object here is to keep that hip on the opposite side from sinking into the ground. Whew. Nice. Just keep focusing in on tightening that glute on the leg that's left on the ground. Squeezing in and lower. Squeezing in and lower. Let's go for 3 more. 2 and 1. So now let's take one of our legs up, hold it there. Keep that knee lift, and we lower it down to the floor. On the inhale, press it back up. Take it down and squeeze it back up. And you may notice already that you're feeling some tension all along the back of that glute. Press it in and lower. Beautiful. Squeeze in, lower down. Let's go 4 more like this. Obviously, this leg is now getting a little bit of a break, so we're going to be able to transition right to the other side. And we hold it there. Give me that isometric. Now lower that foot to the floor. Pick up the other side. We take it down, squeeze and pull through. Down, squeeze and pull through. Keep pressing that heel into the ground, and that's going to be how we are actually going to target that gluteal region. And back down. Let's hold 5 more like this. Great work. And 6. Notice how your shoulders are feeling as you're pressing into this. Great job. And 1 more time, we hold it isometric for 5, 6, 7, 8, and release it. Now, on this next one, I want you to walk your feet just a little further away. Notice that we're bringing in a little bit more hamstring strength. Lower down. Squeeze and tighten. This may feel very different on your lower back. Squeeze and pull through. Down. Squeeze and pull through. Draw those shoulder blades into your back. Down and push up. Let's go for 4 more. And 3. Pressing through 2 more times. Great job. And we hold it there. Now as we walk our feet out once again, notice my knees are just tiny bend. So it's down and up. Range of motion now is going to be very, very tiny. Squeeze down and up, down and up. A lot of hamstrings here for 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it there. Then as we take it out, let's go ahead and straighten our legs completely. Can you lift your hips up at all here? And bring it down. Maybe just a tiny little bit, maybe an inch or so. And bring it down. And it's okay if you can't. Let's go for 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, release it. Kick up on the right leg, bend your left, and let's just hold this leg up there. Now let's go back up into our bridge. We lower this leg down, and then we squeeze that up to the top. This is not really the important part of this exercise. The important part is actually this leg that's holding us up. Try not to drop this side. Keep generating tension in your hip for 4. Squeeze through, 3. Squeeze through, 2, and 1. Now, can we hover that leg directly out in front of the body? Find your balance for 4, 3, 2, 1, and release it. Lower that to the floor. Then we straighten the other side, which is very much appreciated, isn't it? Driving those shoulders into the ground again, we lift, hold that bridge position. Now let's drop the leg down. Inhale, press it up. It's not necessary that you take that foot all the way to the ground, although you can. Taking it down, squeeze up, down, squeeze up. For 5, pull through. 2 more. And now let's just hold that leg at a level position, balancing here for 5. Exhale, 6, 7, 8, and lower that to the floor. Push right back up into your bridge again. Let's draw that right leg in and then make a circle with it. Draw it in and make a circle. Bring it in and make a circle. So as we're doing this, remember, we're tightening the glute on the opposite side. Last one. And now we hold that level position, but this time, let's take that leg out to the side slightly. Hold for 8 counts. Good, keep lifting up through that chest. Here's 4, 3, 2, 1, back in the middle, and lower that down. Draw the other knee in. Inhale, push back up. Let's extend the knee and then lower that down, whatever that looks like. Flex the hip and then extend the hip. Good, try to keep that side from moving. Squeezing it in. Nice job for 3 and 2 and 1. Now let's come in, balance, and straighten that leg out in front of you. Take that leg out to the side slightly. Try not to drop the hip for 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring that all the way back in and down. Now let's come into our figure 4. So we externally rotate through the hip. Press up and hold it. Bring it down. Squeeze up and hold. Tighten that glute. Good. We want to really maximize that tension back in that gluteal region. 1 more, and now we stay up at the top. So it's down, push through and rotate. Down, push through and rotate. For 4, squeeze in. 3, squeeze in. 2, and 1 more time. We hold it there, find that balance. We have our isometric hold and release it. Change sides, pick up the other leg, crossing that over. Inhale, press the hips up to hold it. Lower down. 1 leg only, the weight of this leg is pushing us into rotation. We are not allowing that happening. Good, you're almost there, guys. Keep squeezing into the gluteal muscles of this leg. This is actually great hypertrophy work, trying to get some muscle tension here. Let's go 2 more. And now let's just come up to the top and hold it there. We lower, press up, lower, squeeze up 3 more times. Keep those hips level. Last 2. And now on this last one, all I want you to do is we come in, we hold it there. Good, walk both of those legs together, squeeze them in tight, halfway down and up, halfway down and up. Every time we're squeezing those legs in tight. 2 more. And we are done. Draw those legs right back up into the chest now. Hands are right on the front of the thighs. Pull the thighs back into the legs. Feel those hip flexor muscles. Then push the hands up into the legs. Drop that lower back down flat. From here, rock yourself back to center, squeezing those legs flat into the floor, tightening into your quadriceps. And you are done, ready to go. I hope you enjoyed that. That was quick and easy. I'll see you on the next video.